Hello guys, today I will showing you how I use Rider JetBrains IDE. Most of the JetBrains IDEs share the similar structures, so you can use the same ideas in there. When I open my IDE, I look for a script. Shift is my shortcut for it. I type a script name and to locate that script, and if I located it, it's fine, and I can use my trackpad most of the time. So we open it the script, so we can go. You can follow my shortcuts at the left top of the screen, and you can see what I'm doing currently. I can go back and forth with command option, the arrow keys, and it allows me to look inside of a method and go back from it. And to go inside, I use command B, and I go inside to the functions, and to go back I use command option back arrow key, and it is a useful to quickly look at the methods and the implementations, exact implementation. Another one is the so we opened some scripts and we want to navigate. What most people do, they click from the top bar this and this and this and this, and it is a time consuming. I think when you get used to the shortcuts, it's much faster, what I can say. This is the shortcut command E. It shows the history of the scripts you navigate, and you look at it, look it. So when I want to go to somewhere, just I type spin result one of the scripts I want to go, and it's there, and I hit the enter and it opens. And maybe I can go to the another function, another class, spin save manager, and I can type there, and I am in there, and I can look. I can use command B to do go inside of some method and go back, and I can go to the back to the my other script, and I can navigate it from inside of it. So what I can say, it is a useful thing. Also, another one is the shift. I say it when I first opened the IDE. Command shift F is another cool feature. You can search something in your project, let's say game manager, and I find the usage of game manager in there, and the scripts, we can look at it and we can edit there what if we wanted to. And also you can search for a name, maybe a method name. Start game should be a method name exists in this project, so I find them. If you want to change the something, name of the something in your project, command shift R is an option. You can change the start game to do start my game, and you can hit the replace all, or you can use the enter to replace one by one. It's a useful thing. You can use it if you want to replace something inside of your file. You can use command re to replace it, and you can type something, I don't know, initialize awake or initialize starts, and you can hit that to initialize, maybe sorry, initialize, and you can hit and you can replace the name of it. Also, another feature I am always using is refactor this. I hit option enter and type refactor this, and maybe I can change extract method or rename it, and I type rename. One of the cool feature of JetBrains IDs is that you can search anything. It is not looking like a searchable thing when first open it, but you can, once you type some things, it search the menu and finds the matches. So if I type rename, it finds it. If I type extract class or extract something, it shows me the available options for that option. Another one is what can I say? What I am using? I am thinking when I am using the IDE. Command W is a cool option. You can close the tabs by command W, and you can reopen it with command E, as I said. So again, what can be other options? I use terminal some of the times in there, and you can also commit from inside of the IDE. You can see what you changed if you double click, or you type and you right click and show diff. It shows what is the difference of the file, and if you close it, and you can revert from there. If you click, it will roll back all changes. You can commit it there. You can type your commit message, and this is it for this. For the debugging, when I start debugging, I'm using Unity environment, so it's a little bit different from the other IDs of JetBrains, but they share a big part of the environment, so you can use that. I see the feature of evaluate expression in the most of the JetBrains products I see. So let's think we start our debugger, and I run my game, and I will put what, let me check. I will put a breakpoint, and it will stop there, and I will inspect some values and variables. So let's say we stop it in there, and we can go step by step to other lines. So let's say I want to evaluate expression. You can use there as well. For example, game manager instance, maybe what I can say, game object name can be looked. I use sometimes evaluate expression window. It may be useful sometimes. So let's we have at this point in the line, we have a spin result generated, instantiated. So I want to look something in it. So I type it, and I can see that its current sample size, and matched list counts, and the other stuff, and also the spin save manager. If I type, it is existing fields I can see. Also, if I type spin data, I see the generated results, and I can inspect that. I can inspect them. Also, I can change them. Let's try, and it's changed. So if I type 8, and if I look, it's 8. So there are objects, and I can edit them. It will enable me to test some tricky bugs, or to locate some tricky bugs. I use it some of the time. Another one I want to show you is that you can select some of the words with this shortcut, option shift arrow keys, and you can select word by word. And if you want to complete the line, You can use Command Shift and it completes the line. You can go from start or you can go from back. It's a useful thing. You will use it most of the time. If you want to move the lines up and down, I use this shortcut, Option Shift up and down arrow keys. It's useful. Also, sometimes you need to duplicate the line. You can use Command D for it, and Command C, as you know, is a useful thing. If you want to, most of the developers know about Command Shift Z also reverse what you do. So Command, it is a reverse of the Command Z, so you can use it. And also what I can show, you can select, if you use hold shift and arrow keys, you can select the big part of the things. So that's for now. I hope it will help you to make things a little bit faster. I want to share the current status of how I use my IDE. If you have suggestions, let me know. We can share ideas and discuss what other possibilities exist. Thank you.